Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to have an introduction to the topic profit and loss, and we are going to solve basic problems on profit and loss. Okay, let's begin with the formulas. If you are having profit, then profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. If you are having loss, then loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. If you are having profit, then profit percentage is equals to profit by cost price into 100. If you are having loss, then loss percentage is equals to loss by CP into 100. If they given the cost price and we have to find the selling price, if they given the profit percentage, then selling price equals to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price. If they given loss percentage, then selling price equals to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. If they given selling price, then we have to find the cost price. Then if they given profit percentage, then cost price equals to 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into selling price. If they given loss percentage, then cost price equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. Okay, let's start with this question. Radhika bought a fridge for 5000 rupees. She spends 100 rupees on transportation and 500 rupees on its repair and sells it at 7000. Find the profit or loss percentage. So she bought the fridge for 5000 rupees and she spends 100 rupees on transportation and 500 rupees on its repairs. Then totally the cost price will be 5000 plus 100 plus 500, that is equals to 5600. Then she sold it for 7000. The selling price is equals to 7000. Then the profit is equals to 7000 minus 5600, that is equals to 1400. Here she got profit. Then the profit percentage is equals to profit by cost price into 100, that is 1400 by 5600 into 100, that is equals to 25%, which is profit. Here a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and put them into scrap. The remaining bulbs were sold at rupees 12 each. Find the gain or loss percentage. So here shopkeeper bought 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. Then the total cost price is 200 into 10, that is equals to 2000. Here 5 bulbs were fused, the remaining are 195 bulbs, and he sold each of them with 12 rupees. Then the selling price is 195 into 12, that is equals to 2340. So here he got the profit. The profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, that is 2340 minus 2000, that is equals to 340. Here profit percentage is equals to profit by cost price into 100, that is 340 by 2000 into 100, that is equals to 7% profit he gained. A man sold a chair for rupees 465. Find the cost price if he incurred a loss of 7%. So here in the question they given the selling price and loss percentage. Then we have to find the cost price. By using the formula, cost price is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. We can find the answer. Here CP is equals to 100 by 100 minus 7 into 465. After solving this, we get cost price is equals to 500.